After consolidating for previous 2 weeks, last week again Germany traded bullish and achieved 15,500 level, and in my last week's analysis I did tell you that here it is going to get the maximum resistance, the target achieved. Now what to expect next? Can we expect a retracement from here, or is it going to fly again on the upside? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading strategy and analysis for the next week. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start here. See, first point is 15,500 is definitely a good resistance. You can see multiple candles either when it was on upside were getting the support there at 15,500, or when they were on downside were getting the resistance on the upside. Likewise, these levels at 15,500 600 is going to be a very important resistance zone for Germany40, and only if it trades above this you can expect that it is going to give you a very big bullish candle. That is the first part to it. Next is look at the previous two candles. Previous two candles were of consolidation, and this candle has given a breakout. That is the first observation. Second observation is higher lows are seen, which means they were indicating a inherent bullishness. That is the second observation. So after the breakout, when you see a first bullish candle, and also this candle had left a wick on the top, which means that probably it can open flat, and once it trades above 15,600 you can stay long in Germany40 DAX, and you can expect the next target is going to be 15,800, and in fact we may see 16,000 levels also. Yes, because this is a breakout, this is a first candle, probably the second candle can be of further increasing in size. At the same time, it fails to sustain 15,600 and reverses from there. Again, now see, this 15,000 levels is going to be of prime importance. This is going to be of immense support, and I'll be definitely watchful of that because it can still consolidate. Now this is just on the weekly charts also. Yes, DAX is trading outside this bearish channel in which it was trading for long. Now it is heading up for the double top here. Possibly it may try to achieve that. And yes, the FTSE 100 has already achieved a double top, not double top but all-time high levels last week, and hence Germany may also try to catch up. So be careful there with the shorts. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, 15,000 to 15,200 it consolidated for multiple days, and now it has given a breakout. And yes, on the downside, even if it tries to retrace or tries to give you a bullish flag, 15,200 is going to be the ultimate support level, and below that 15,000, this zone is going to be of prime importance. Remember this fact. Now look at the daily charts here. See, ignore this candle, this is an error candle here on the charts, but look at the previous 3 days candle. Good bullish breakout, strong bullish candles, and then the last day was a consolidation candle. So probably for next couple of days you need to wait for it to break out beyond 15,600 levels, and on the downside below 15,200 it will call for the little more bearishness. That is one observation. Yes, maybe Monday you can expect it to retrace a little till towards 15,300 and 15,200 zone, and from there again it may try to fly. So be careful till 15,200 and 15,000 levels. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly chart, in the last analysis we did see that this is a bullish candle, extremely bullish candle, and previous one was a red candle. So this should be considered a breakout here. It has achieved the highs, closed the month above 15,000, which is definitely a stronger resistance. Now look, this candle started flat and it tried to trade bullish. Now also look at the size of the previous candle, 14,800 to 15,200, almost 1,400 points, and this candle probably, even if it tries to stay modest, it can give you at least half the size or at least 2/3 of the size, which means probably we can see it at 16,000 and in fact all-time high levels also in the month of February. So be cautious and alert. It started on the bullish note. Till the time it trades above 15,000, till the time it sustains above 15,000, I will not consider this as bearish, and I will not recommend you to stay short in DAX in the month of February. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now see, indicators on the daily chart. See, The Bollinger bandwidth has narrowed here, and that is why we can see this stronger bullish candles there, a breakout candle here. Yes, it tried to break out beyond the Bollinger bands, and that is why we can see a little red candle. Now the next week, when the week starts, you can see the width must be seen expanding, and possibly it can continue with that move. That is the first part to it. So yes, it has been seen trading giving a breakout. It may try to continue with that. Also look at the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, all trading with divergence, all indicating bullishness there. Support there at 15,200 and 15,000 is ultimately very, very strong. So note down these points there. Now look at the directional movement on the daily charts is divergent and bullish. Stochastic on the daily charts has come to overbought levels. The MACD is again trying to cross over for the buy position here. And if you look at the RSI, this is overbought here. And that is why I say for maybe in next couple of days, we may see a little retracement in Germany40 DAX. We can expect it to retrace till towards 15,200, 15,000 levels, and then possibly a bounce back can be seen after the midweek. That is the first part to it. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, most importantly, the 20 and 50 period moving average are seen crossing over. This is a bullish sign. This is a bullish indicator. Also look at the 50 period moving average is also trying to converge here towards the 100 period crossover. This is also a good sign here for the inherent bullishness. Now see, the directional movement is divergent and bullish on the weekly charts, but the stochastic has come to overbought levels, and it is not that it cannot sustain, but yes, this also brings a possibility that it can reverse from here, and hence you have to stay cautious there. The MACD is divergent and bullish. See, the candles are there increasing in size still, and it is looking upwards, indicating still there is bullishness. The RSI is also looking upwards, indicating bullishness. And if you look at the monthly, on the monthly chart, the 20 months average is at 14,500 levels, which is definitely going to be the next important support. And if it continues its journey downward, probably below 15,000, it's 14,500 and 14,000 levels. These levels are certainly going to be of prime importance. Right now, it appears that it may try to achieve the and form the all-time highs or the double top here in Germany40. The directional movement is crossing over for the buy entry here. The stochastic has come to overbought levels. This also brings a possibility that it can reverse here or cross over here for a sell. Interestingly, the MACD has crossed over. This crossover is happening at a bottom here, and this appears that probably for next couple of months or so, we may see Germany40 trading bullish, and possibility exists that it can achieve all-time highs or at least double top there. RSI is still looking upwards, indicating strength there. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can profit. Before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship. The 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Yes, equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategy which you can apply to any market, commodity, indices or forex or crypto as well. Equip yourself with such strategies and definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. Now see where to buy, and I can clearly say here you can buy here at 15,450 levels, but then expect 15,520 and 15,600. Till here, though these are numbers, but this is going to provide a very, very good resistance for Germany40 here, and hence you have to be watchful of 15,600. Once it trades above 15,600, the next destination 15,733 and 15,800. This is going to be a very good number there. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 16,000 levels directly, and then it can try to stabilize in between 16,200 and 16,000 levels somewhere here if it continues to trade bullish. And if it doesn't achieve this, probably in the month of February, we may see it hitting 15,800, 16,000 levels if it continues to trade on the upside. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,370 levels, but then expect 15,320 and 15,250 levels. Now remember 15,250, 15,200. Now this is going to be a very important zone on the downside. Be careful of 15,250 achieving these levels. It can bounce back and it may find it hard to break past 15,200 levels and can bounce back again on the upside. Also, if it breaks below 15,200, remember 15,000 levels, and only if it breaks below 15,000 we can confirm that it is going to drop a little, and it may try to trade bearish below 15,000 levels. If it sustains and closes below 15,000, then only. In between these levels, even if it tries to drop at 15,000, 15,200, you can still take a buy position and you can stay long. Take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.